All right. Good. Welcome back to the crude oil inventory session. Technical difficulties getting changed over there. Our initial trade is a get in sync. Definitely does get in sync, then reverse it. So we go long to start with. And then ultimately we stop and reverse back to short at 77. That's the trade that actually that trade gets us a break and a small partial. So then we take this next short at 49. That has hit target one. Stop now at 51. And hitting target two. Oh, wait a minute. Is anybody, my mic's not working. Yeah, it is. There we go. So stop now to 41. Stop to 36. It looks like unleaded is doing better for us from. So unleaded, get in sync and too far too fast. So then we come back with the short that's hit target two and a trailed all the way down to target four already in just 5 minutes. And still going. $83.26 for the stop on the 377 tick chart. That is counterpunch. The 8 tick range bar on Spotlight. Let's see what that did. Looks like we ticked into a long at 1034. That was a full stop. So that was a loss of 40 ticks. We now have gotten target one and target two for 46 ticks. So that is a POQ session on the just 6 ticks. On the and stopping out at 83.21. Takes 3 trades to get there. $27 on target, and looks like, let's see, our target was 22, and it looks like we stopped out at 21 for 28 ticks. So 55 on that trade. 77 to 71. We got 612 on that one. $96 to 77 is 19. So down 38. Got 12 back, so we're down 26 going into that trade, and got 55, so we're up 29. We look for trades. Start looking for trades 2 minutes after the report mark. So the report comes out at 10:32 on 10:30 on Wednesdays. We'll start looking for trades at 10:32. We will get in sync. Don't want to take the very first trade after the report. We want to kind of let it settle just a little bit. And unleaded stopping out with a nice trailer. So all three charts getting POQ. Sorry about the technical difficulties getting back into the room. But quick, bang, bang, bang. Six ticks total on Spotlight, unfortunately, but getting $29 net on 377 tick counterpunch. And let's see what our entry was on unleaded on Spotlight was 4233, target at 4173 for 60 ticks. So it's 4233. We trailed all the way down to 3981. So 4233 to 3981 was 252 ticks. At $4.20 a tick, that's over 1,000. We had some nice trades this morning. Soybeans gave us $1,200 plus trade that we didn't even see the end of. I'll have to go back and look at that later. This trade is over $1,000 just on the trailer, and another 200 over plus 250 on target. So huge trade this morning on the inventory report for unleaded gas. Two contracts would have netted over $1,250, probably very close to $1,300. $0.20 times 252 ticks is what? 500 ticks times 10 cents. That's another $500. Or 50, another what? 50, yeah, that's another $50. So that's 1,300. Over 1,300. Nice trade. 252 plus 60, so 312 ticks. Giving us very much a monster trade there. So, any questions this morning? That was eventful. I wish I had been up and running and been able to trade it, because I would have been on I trade the spotlight. So I would have been the 6 tick this morning, unfortunately. Not getting a whole lot out of that one. But big goings on the unleaded. Good. I don't have the catapult chart up on this workspace. I can't look at that one. I'll have to put that one on this workspace and see what it looks like next time I do this. I'm going to have to figure out what the right trend, because I've had difficulty with the transition to this room every time I've done it lately. So I'll have to see what's going on and see if I can't fix that. Any other questions this morning? Just for friends, what did the report come out to? No, Graham, Catapult is not available on MT4. If you want to use MT4, obviously you're outside the United States, because that's the only way you'd be able to use MT4 on the things that. Well, no, that's not true. Some of the brokers use MT4 on futures charts. Yeah, Catapult is only available for TradeStation and NinjaTrader 8. unleaded with three straight successful trades. And three additional successful trades on Crude. So an interesting morning. All right, well, looks like we are done this morning. That was a quick one once we got going. I believe I'll be calling it a day. I will see everybody tomorrow morning for our regular Thursday session. Troy should be back next week. He's tied up. It's afternoon for him over in Copenhagen, and he had ended up tied up in meetings this afternoon. Morning for us, afternoon for him. And so he should be back next week. But I will see everybody tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Everybody have a good one. Mark and Miles, you're very welcome. See you tomorrow.